This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 298BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio 44,720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 55 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.